Hello, it's sunny afternoon. Steel Rider is here with tank full of gas. Today we are gonna visit Plana mountain. We'll pass part of my favorite road, including Pančarevo, the area of Belиката, Bistrica, plenty nice curves, to Železnica. This time, on the way out, we are turning left. We are deviate from the well-known favorite road to Kovacevci, changing it for a much worse road with less cars in the direction of Plana mountain. We have to be careful here, it's full of sand, potholes, horses. Okay, I have to be careful not to bump a horse. As you can see, there is also public transport to Plana village. That's fantastic. It's so beautiful. In the past, Plana mountain was considered as part of Vituša. It's arranged as a separate mountain with separate name in the last, I don't know, few hundred years in the Bulgarian history. The highest peak is just 1337 meters, and it's located close to Plana village. The name of the mountain is derived from the name of the Plana village. Whoa! You can see some surprises here. Yeah, the sport bike riders will not be happy here. The curves are nice, but the road is very bad and full of surprises. Maybe a cross bike is much more appropriate here. Not a cruiser bike like this one. Let's not waste time and go. Where is the asphalt? Where is the asphalt? Oh, down. Here is Plana village. So in order to visit it, we have to turn left. The other one is the main one, but it's not going in the village. Just to mention that we hardly can call Plana village. It's just some neighborhoods here and there. The houses are not very appropriate for daily living. Rather, they can be used just as a villas. This is the first neighborhood. It's quite nice. The road is narrow and bad, so we're gonna take it easy. Lele. 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 Not like that. I remember last year was better. I cannot imagine living here and going through these halls every day. From here we can see beautiful panorama over different neighborhoods of Plana. I think there is more civilized, the road should be better. We can see that the old church is under repair. So yeah, there should be people there. Yes, there are people. Two ladies and gentlemen. I should be watching the road, not the ladies. Did you saw what kind of pothole I hit? Ow! As I thought, the road become not better, but at least wider. One bump here. Bravo. We are going out of the main part of Plana village. This is the last curve. But before we go back, we are gonna visit the last neighborhood. It's more isolated, but there are two interesting things I'm gonna show you. This is the neighborhood, and this is the bus stop. You can see here some workers, they're doing construction things. Initially I thought that there is no population in this village, but we saw ladies, working men. We are going out of the village, and the road becomes smaller suddenly. Let's take it easy here. Let's see where this curvy and narrow road ends. We're going in the forest. It's so dark in there. Ah, wonderful. It's wonderful. Super. Again, some people. Hello? It's magnificent. I feel magic in this place. Look what a beauty. Look what a beauty. Forest, trees, and one narrow road just for me. Oh my god, what's that? Ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting for the aliens here. Look at this. These satellite plates have enormous size. Armed guards. I'm sure they have enough guns. Hello, hello, I'm not going in. I was attracted by these huge plates. They cannot be missed so easy. Sorry for the disturbance. Not a problem, that's my job. The place is chosen not to attract some curious people like me. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.
Super. Plata Teleport. Ciao. Plana Teleport.
That's the name of this place. Currently it's owned by Vivacom, which inherited in the past all government telecom infrastructures, and now it provides satellite connection for different customers. I mean business customers like TV and internet providers, telecoms, and etc. How many sparrows around me? These birds can be met less and less often in the cities, and I'm happy that I can drive around them here. In the way out of the neighborhood, we're going in the gravel road. Oh my god. Oh, pray for me. I need to reach one holy place. Now what? Here I'll cross? Oh my god. What I'm doing? I'm so sweaty. Oh, but finally we are at the place. Oh my god. Oh my god, what I'm doing? Finally we reached the place. I'll park here like a car. Okay. That's right. The Enlightenment Stupa Monuments. This is the only one Buddhist temple in Bulgaria. Here it's more visible why Plana is separate mountain from Vitusha. You can see Vitusha over there, and Plana is here, and here. Both mountains are connected in the area of Yarema. The road to Kovachevci is also there. I am preparing to leave this quiet place, but first I want to show you what's the advantages of shaft drive motorcycle. All the owners of chain drive motorcycles have to clean and lubricate after driving on these dirty roads. I just don't care. I can clean it today, I can clean it after a week, wherever I have time and mood for it. Oh, let's see if I'll be able to move back this 260 kilo beast. I made it. Wonderful place. Okay. And I'm praying again to safely cross this terrain on the way back. I think first gear will be more appropriate here. Yes. If my front tire fall down in this trench, I'll be stuck. Nobody can help me. So if it's necessary, I'll drive through the grass, reaching the place where I can cross. Here we are. The hardest section is past. Bravo! We went out. Off-roader. In the end of this motovlog, I'll show you the black visor that I put on my helmet yesterday. That's how it looks. I'll be using it in the summer to save my eyes from the burning sun. Goodbye Plana, goodbye.